Okay, moving on to DoorDash. So all previous zones, we gotta delete all these. What I looked at once upon a time, we'll get rid of this. DoorDash is also very, very bullish, even though the company has never made money. So anyways, looking at a long position because it is way above the moving average, but we gotta look at these previous time frames. So it actually broke this area here. So the next one is way up here, to be honest. So it does have some room if it's going to keep heading up. Way up here, around the $120 area. So that's if it wants to keep going up, which I think it could. So what we got to do is figure out, again, our monthly range. It's the same thing every chart pretty much. I mean, there's subtle differences, but you got to know your basics, and then the fundamentals, like the basic concepts of trading is the most important and takes the least amount of time to learn. It's the discipline and the psychology and all that really takes the years of experience. But setting up charts and being able to read charts doesn't take that long to learn. But anyways, so this moves about 25 bucks a month. So it does seem to be pulling back a little bit right now. If we look on a 4 hour, there's a little bit of resistance here, which it currently was. So this could be our low for the month, right around $84. We can always adjust that later if we need, but as of right now, 84 bucks could be our low for the month if it doesn't break below that. But keep in mind, this has not retraced in a very long time. I don't consider a 38.2 a retrace. That never really touched the 50%. So this will eventually have to retrace. So I don't know if it's doing it right now, but eventually it's going to have to. So what I would need to see out of this, and then what is the monthly range? I forgot. 25 bucks. Okay, so we'll mark this out quick here. So 109 is your $25. And then let's just say theoretically that $84 is our low, and then we're going to target all the way up. I don't know if $84 is our low, so I'm going to have to wait, obviously, and what I would wait for is structure. It's always structure. Everything depends on structure. So it is rejecting this area, but I need to see more clues. So right now we don't have higher highs or higher lows. We got almost consolidation. It's pretty flat. I guess it's kind of making somewhat higher highs, higher lows, but this isn't really significant enough yet. You can still see some wicks on the 30-minute. I mean, if it can't break these 30-minute wicks, then it's definitely not ready to buy. So we got to wait for that structure to set up. We need higher highs, higher lows, and there's no rush. So trading is all about patience. At least winning trades is all about patience. Losing, I mean, you can do it any time. It takes no patience to lose. I would set my September here. So this is what I'm looking at for the month. Yeah, big trade here, but yeah, I mean, that structure has to set up, and I would need it to make higher highs, higher lows, and then also break some some areas here. So breaking, there's an area here actually I can see. So was support, broke, then resistance. So now this is resistance. It's gonna have to break this $87 level, and then also show me higher highs, higher lows. We need good price structure, and then we will enter a buy position for the month. So that is DoorDash.